We sell two major types of salmon here at Schnucks. We sell a sockeye salmon, which is wild caught in Alaska, then flown into us fresh. And we have Atlantic salmon, which is this. It's a farm raised salmon, and that's what we're going to cook on the grill today. The sockeye salmon is seasonal, but this Atlantic salmon we have year round for you. When you're prepping to put the salmon on, you've got your grates really hot. You want to make sure that you use plenty of extra virgin olive oil. Again, salmon has a tendency to really stick, and that'll help the salmon to easily come off and it's prepared and you're ready to take it off. We're going to cook these on the grill for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until the internal temperature is about 130 degrees, and we'll take them off and enjoy